Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will see how we can work with maps in Power BI. I will go to my visualization pane and select map. Once it appears, I will drag my location from my data into the location bar. So I'll put this. Now you can see the locations that I had are already pointed. Boston, here you can see it's New York. So let's go ahead and work with it. Now in the legends, let me add the status. So we have for each project delayed, done, in progress, on hold. We will see how we can work with this. Here in the latitude and longitude, if you want to add any latitude or longitude which it will point out to, you can add it here. Just make sure they are data fields. And in the bubble size, you can also do that. Let's go ahead and modify it. So I'll go here in the map settings. You can select the style. For example, Arial. You can go dark. Let's make it grayscale. You can show labels or you can remove them. We'll keep it as it is. In the controls, you can select auto zoom if you want to add zoom buttons. So now here you can see the zoom buttons are there. You can zoom in, zoom out through the buttons. In the legends, you can define them. Top left, we can say top right stacked or how you want it. In the text also, you can define how you want the text. We will just make it a little smaller. You can select the text color if how you want it. Title if you want it or no, we'll keep it. Now in the bubbles, you see they're small. We will just increase a size. And now you can see here, if I hover over it, now you can see Boston delayed. I need to see how many are delayed and how many are not. So we go back here. And in the bubble size, I will add project ID. Now here you can see count of project also. Let me just make it projects, total projects, total projects. I'll go back here and now I will reduce the bubble size. Okay, we can reduce this further. So now if I hover over it, you can see that in San Francisco for on hold, there are two projects. Here in Seattle, completed one is just one. You can also change the colors. So for example, on track, we can put as yellow, on hold can go as gray, in progress, maybe can be blue, completed, we can put as green. I like dark green more. And then delayed, we can highlight it as a shade of red. So now you can go and you can see. You can further add category labels. If I click OK, now you can see that the labels are here for each category. We can shorten the size. You can have the background or you can remove it. We'll keep it as it is. So this is how you can easily modify your map. Here also in the title, let's just change the title, location, by status. I will bring it in the middle and we'll add a background color to it. You can have something darker and change the text color to white. And you can add any other formatting if you want. We'll keep it as it is. And now you have prepared your map visual for your report. If you have filters, it will filter out this map visual also. I hope this helped. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.